Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Rare find, this low mileage Volvo XC 92.4 D5 R design with nav, Geartronic automatic 4-wheel drive. So 2013 on a 63 plate. Only done 38,500 miles from new with a good service history and just had the cam belt replaced. £17,995, so 7 seats, 2 owners. The last owner has had the car since it was a year old. Good service history, and as I say, just had the cam belt done. 17,995, obviously 7 seats, leather, nav, heated seats, electric seats, memory driver's seats, sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio, Pirelli Scorpion matching tyres which are in excellent condition, privacy glass, side tubes, park sensors front and rear. Lovely thing. Aluminium roof rails, Pirelli Scorpion tyre, lots of tread, wheel, alloy wheels. Beautiful, like new. No stone chips, no dents, no scratches. Got the nice Volvo side tubes on. Off black leather with the white stitching, R design sports seats. Cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. Park sensors, folding mirrors, rear aircon. Child door locks, unlock and unlock the rear doors from in the front. Fitted Volvo carpet mats, integrated child booster seat, 7 seats, they're in the back there. What a lovely 38,500 miles, 5 or 6 services. Just had the cam belt done. Cam belt done on time, obviously, rather than mileage. So 7 seats are up in there, as you can see. Unmarked, this is. Lovely car. Obviously drives like a new car. Air conditioning is freezing. Pirelli Scorpions. Lots of tread. Wheels, no curbing, no corrosion. Daytime LED ring lights built into the front fog lamps. Comes with 2 keys. 1 owner since it was 12 months old. Super low mileage. 845 miles. 35,000, not 38. 35,000 miles from new. There's the heated seats. Electric memory driver's seat. Beautiful car. Don't get many like this. £17,995. The nearest thing to being like new I've seen for a long time. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again. And there's nearly 2,000 other car videos you can have a look through that we've produced over the last 10 years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will be one of the first people in the country to get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people to know about it. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.